Namaste. I'm Gopika, your artificially intelligent digital manager from Ruminants and Robots, the high-tech dairy farm.
Let me share the success secrets behind our star breed, the Holstein Friesian. The Holstein Friesian, or HF, is the world's #1 milk-producing cow, delivering 25 to 35 liters every single day. In India, Godrej Cattle Genetics has created HF lines producing up to 60 liters per day through advanced breeding. These cows are big, beautiful and gentle, weighing between 650 and 750 kilos, yet calm enough to handle easily. Their iconic black and white pattern isn't just stunning, goring. It's a global symbol of premium dairy quality. HF cows mature early, coming into heat at just 14 months and delivers calf and milk in less than 2 years. They're perfect for modern indoor dairies, performing their best in smart, tech-managed environments. Yes, they're a little sensitive to heat, but with chilled water foggers, they stay cool and comfortable anywhere in India, especially at Ruro Farm. HF cows are calm, gentle and friendly, and even children can handle them. Large herds can be managed by just a few workers. Their body structure and udder design make them a perfect match for automatic milking machines. HF is a globally accepted breed for performance and consistency. Investors love them for quick ROI and high demand in India. The best HF cows and calves can be found right in India, especially at Kolar in Karnataka and Bathinda in Punjab. So many corporate giants, well known as Godrej, have invested hundreds of crores to advance HF genetics. That's how strong the potential is.
HF cows are also excellent surrogates for producing high-value calves using embryo transfer technology.
We can even develop advanced hybrids like Girlando, combining HF productivity with Indian climate resilience at our farm. Right here in India, an HF cow named Sony broke national records by giving 87.7 kilos of milk in just 24 hours. Did you know? A Brazilian Gir-Fash Nilor cow, Viatina 19, sold for 40 crores Fen. We have access to vast research data that empowers us to innovate, develop advanced machines, and design intelligent dairy software.
India's dairy sector is valued at over 8.5 lakh crores, larger than the combined worth of rice and wheat hirite.
The Holstein Friesian isn't just a cow pori. It's a smart investment on 4 legs, built for technology-driven dairies. This is Gopika, signing off with gratitude. Namaste.